My name is Kassie Hilgert. I am the president and CEO of ArtsQuest. We are a Bethlehem-based nonprofit whose mission is to increase access to the arts for all. We offer 4,000 camps, classes, and concerts every year. Over 45% of that is free to the public, probably best known for Music Fest, the nation's largest free music festival that brings in about 1.4 million people from 49 states and 7 countries. So I first met Tom Garrity in the early 2000s when we were both on the Lehigh Valley Economic Development Board together. I then had more interaction with Tom when he was offering the Compass Point services to Discover Lehigh Valley as they were looking for a new CEO. So I experienced his work ethic there. In 2020, we were beginning a capital campaign, the largest in our 40-year history at the time. And we knew we were going to go through radical change, radical growth, and the operating model we had was not going to take us into the future. And that is the time when, through my interactions with Tom and other organizations that I knew that had worked with Compass Point, we made the decision to reach out. And I will tell you, it was an interesting time because we met with Compass Point and the team the day before the world shut down for the global pandemic. When COVID hit and we had to scramble immediately, obviously the capital campaign was put on hold, one of the first groups to reach out to us was Compass Point to say, forget what we talked about yesterday. Today we're going to talk about how we keep you and the doors open through COVID, not knowing when it would end. So Compass Point immediately shifted gears and said, what do you need from us? We have a vast network. Let's start prioritizing what you need to survive this, and we will deploy our resources to help you do just that. So that created an immediate sense of trust and engagement that I don't know that would have happened without COVID, but they immediately jumped to exactly what we needed and tapped their vast network to help us get through that. What stands out working with Compass Point is a very methodical approach to make you change your thinking in your daily business, and also change your thinking about the importance of culture and trust. If you would have told me prior to working with Compass Point that culture would be what we now hire for versus skills, I don't think I would have believed you. But them showing us the importance of that and making sure you have the right team players, what that then did was create trust faster. We could make decisions better, and we could acknowledge failures quicker and move on to find the right solution.